Sebi preduasa. Obi bi oye badwem ba bia wo tie program yi. Ebe hu ne say NDC ni MPP. They have nothing to offer this country. Look at the solution they are giving us. Huh?
What is wrong with the solution?
And then we can say one sad thing about Africa, especially Ghana, those with ideas are not in power. Those in power are without ideas.
Say that again. Say it again.
One problem in Africa, especially Ghana, is that those in power are without ideas.
Those in power
are without ideas.
They don't have the ideas.
And those with ideas are not in power.
So in this sense, NDC for now, one war
idea no more de doesn't carry weight.
Oh, sir.
And opposition party as some who can so sabi but dream baby who say idea no more de bano form. Osi enko kreti to omonya ni 24-hour economy.
That almost say over blocking road for 2 days.
We don't people to sell there. Also see yen kreti night market wo homa won.
But what say honorable na me dey din ko say honorable Kwesi Akwado ono ba che say some roads be o kran ke be ankasa roads ni gina yen block na medwadifo ni dwa o sa.
No, we don't have to well say a lack of improper town planning. Jam planning baby ebe ye kura akra ya tonton ni na ma estate developers ebe ye na ya block ka kwan. Are we serious? Mebu aka kire me ye ebe ye a ni akofa wa che wura table. Ne ya de chalk atworo so we road close yeah no way what kind of people are we park na ye so aye bobo wo so no maton parks ni na ye nya baby kura bobo na say we don't have plan ye plan kro to say nche na wi ase e wo say nya baby a eye won say ye so na ye night market ankasa
sure
ye night market ankasa area bia wo bi enye ka kwam ye just space no hwe wokọ we kantamanto baby aton force ni ade na me ba chanye baby ade ama force for omo ka kwam enti we ye mo place to go and sell which will be permanent ahana mu bedi dwawo ene ye wo mo a omo ahye dwa no wo edwa ye hye no wo pavement ehho no entwebu da but enye say ye choked abro kire na bi wo ho ka pavement so nchen en block ka kwan no ebi wo baby a but said he na ye choked no and ye problem na mo so ne nipa ne so mo block ka kwan no mo a better place nipa ne pe bi obeton ade de bi edidi a also be man 2 days so be block kwan 2 days na block kwan 2 days aka ka ntwem wo ho NDC ne MPP na mo de ye and ko akra parking space kure bi ni ho abrabo broni si supermarket no supermarket no esoro any supermarket no na se
any parking spot sure
udru yam we wura we abrosan na se akọ wo car cars be ye 3,000 4,000 ebe kwase ho akra udu akra unya ba bi park o park as a tax force for NH drivers. What kind of people are we entatia kura ye unu nyansa kura se ne entatia
Abraham ye be relationship issues so
relationship me because me ka politics ya se wo me menya case wo kura mu a
there be case me na unya case because the okay nyina no it is within the remit of the law. The law permits
we as a people minuya oh
mami kwa ba so na ye na etie for enhwimbom